Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, November the 1st, 2024. And I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. So this one, the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. And this will be number 9519. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones is always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16, but the publisher has indicated it's with a 4 stars and a 4 stars puzzle. I need 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars puzzle. We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question, choose. Can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always 1. Let me put those numbers. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box. Here also contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for here, 1 and 2. Here also 1 and 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box contains the 1, the 2, 3. Well, the 3 is already given, so these 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 2. More triple boxes? No. How about quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box in an L shape. When you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. The other 2 numbers in this quadra box L shape are the numbers 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. We have here quadra boxes. Yeah, we have here another one. Contains the 1, the 2, 3 and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Here another quadra box. We have a 4 here, so these 2 boxes can be 4, and that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for 4, and this quadra box should be here. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. Nope, only 1. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. In this case, it's a 2 here. And that case, 1 or a 2. We already have a 2 here, so this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box. Should be also 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. Alright. Do we have more T shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Oh no. Let me start with the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? No, only 1. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Okay. Then the following shape. The final shape here. The last shape in this puzzle, this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then in the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 4, those 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 5 goes there. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, but also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 in this cross area is supposed to be here. Then, let me see. I think this box should be 5, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 1 and the 3. Well, I cannot place the 1 there, because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this cross area is supposed to be here. 1 box left in this cross area for number 3. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Let me think. Well. I think this box will be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area are numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there. So 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be the numbers 4 and a 1, 4 and a 1 in this quadrat box. This box is connected with that box, so we saw 2 or 3. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. Then, let me see. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, those 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 2, those 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadrat box supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this quadrat box for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. is connected with that box should be so 3. 2 numbers left now in this area. For numbers 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be and a 5 goes there. These 3 boxes around the 5 can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 1 or 2, we have a 1 now, so this can be 1 anymore. This box will be a 2, is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area. For numbers 3 and the 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes and there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, those 2 boxes can be 1, and this box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and the 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be and a 4 goes and there. These 2 boxes can be 4, but also that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area, supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes and there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and the 3, we have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be and the 2 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, we solve again. Another 4, another 3, another 2, another 1. Should be a 0 stars because I'm faster than 13 minutes. So we're pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow. Yes, it's Saturday. Tomorrow Saturday, it's weekend. So have a great and fantastic Friday. Until then, bye bye for now.